Food.
Ooh. Yo, that looks mad good.
Oh, happy Flag Day. Big up to all my Haitians them. Happy Flag Day.
Like, share, comment, and follow me for more food adventures.
Wagwan, my people, welcome back. So today we're gonna try some Haitian food with my homie Daniel. We want some good Haitian food. Make sure you come and see Seeds Bakery in Pine Hills, Pan North Lane and Pine Hills Road. You see me I say? Big up on yourself, Orlando.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah,
Good
man.
for us.
Viva Haiti, Viva Haiti, yeah man. Big up. I'm gonna try the champagne. It's a little bit sweeter than the cola champagne we will have in Jamaica, but I see it's mommy to make it without the meat, so she do a great job. She make it rice and peas, as you can see.
Busted.
Well, Shelly and I like my rice plaka. I like it. I try the legume.
Ooh.
Good God. Yo, no man, I always have legume. I always try to go to a different Haitian spot and everybody make them something a little bit different. But see, no man, you're going with things, mom. Like Haitian mixed vegetable when them cook it down, sometimes they cook it with meat, most times it's cooked with meat. If you want it without meat, you can cook it without meat. But it's fried to perfection. Soft on the inside. Yeah, man, flaky on the outside. I'm gonna try the sauce. Sauce now. I'm gonna try it on the rice. And then I'm gonna dip this in the try the back. Yo, the way how this season, I love how this season. Sauce with the rice, these are the best part. Sauce with the rice. Yeah.
Like, share, comment, and follow me for more food adventures.
Man, later.